5 years in the AI trenches. 7 hacks that put you ahead of 99% of people, even if you're starting from zero.
Hack 1. Get ChatGPT Pro. $20 a month. McDonald's costs more. This makes you 10 times that back.
Hack 2. Master prompt. People pay $300 for this. Ask AI to interview you pad, it builds it free in 30 minutes. Tell AI your role, let it interview you, answer everything, save as PDF, upload it every time. AI knows you instantly. Hack 3. System prompt. Master prompt tells AI who you are. System prompt tells AI how to behave. That output becomes your IP.
Generate output. Iterate until perfect. Then ask AI to reverse engineer the prompt that built it. That prompt is yours forever.
Hack 4. Project folders. All context in one place. I used it to buy a house in Cabo. A messy mind creates a messy prompt. Name the project. Upload your master prompt. Load all context. Share with your team. Stop re-explaining yourself every single chat. Hack 5. Canvases. A Google Doc inside ChatGPT. Chat on the left. Edit on the right. No more full rewrites from scratch.
Create it. Edit directly, refine with chat, then extract the system prompt. That workflow saves you hours every single day.
Hack 6. Custom instructions. Set your voice, format, preferences once. ChatGPT applies them to every future chat automatically. Settings, personalization, custom instructions, desktop only. Then ask AI to write them for you. Use the tool to configure the tool. Hack 7. Custom GPTs. Your personal minions. Build once, hey, deploy to your team, clients, the world. Even sell them. Take your system prompt. Configure. Name it. Share it. Tools save minutes. Custom GPTs save days. I gave the system a topic. In less than 30 minutes, it generated a complete book outline and organized chapters. Stack AI onto a habit you already have. 7 minutes a day. That is how it becomes your identity, not a tool you occasionally use.
7 hacks. 1 complete system. 92% AI, 8% you. That is the goal. Now build it.
Every prompt from this video is in the description. Free. Copy, paste, use them. 0 excuses left to not start today.
Feeling overwhelmed is normal.
Don't buy a course. Just use AI to teach you AI. Start there. 1 hack. Today. Be the AI expert your colleagues, clients, and family turn to. That person wins first. Always. Be that person. 92% AI, 8% you. The 8% is your creativity, judgment, vision. Everything else may let go. That is the whole point. The early adopter window is open right now. Every day you wait, someone else takes your position. The window will not stay open. 7 hacks, 1 complete system, pro account, master prompt, system prompt, folders, canvases, instructions, custom GPTs. Subscribe. Comment which hack you start with. Share this with one person who needs it. I gave you the blueprint. Now build. All resources are in the description, free to explore. Follow for more insights and future videos. Your next chapter starts now. Go build something remarkable.